Welcome back to Bazai. Today's refresher, cookies versus sessions. Both keep users logged in, but they store state in very different places, which affects security, scalability, and performance. Let's walk the flow on each side of the diagram, and then pick the right tool for different apps. Cookies. Data lives on the client. In a pure cookie approach, the server sets a cookie after login, often containing user data or a signed token, like a JWT. On every request, the browser automatically sends the cookie back. The server reads it and returns a response without needing a lookup in a session store. Benefits: zero server memory for session state, horizontal scaling is easy, and static CDNs can serve more traffic because identity is self-contained. Risks: larger cookies add bandwidth and latency. Sensitive data must never be stored in plaintext, and revoking access can be tricky. Stateless tokens remain valid until expiry unless a blacklist is consulted. Sessions. Data lives on the server. With sessions, the server sets a small cookie that only holds a session ID. The browser returns that ID on each request. The server then looks up data in Session Store, Redis, or a database, fetches the user context, and generates a response. Benefits: central control, easy server-side invalidation and rotation, and small cookies. Trade-offs: the session store becomes critical infrastructure, and cross-region latency or cache misses can impact response times. Security basics for both. Always mark off cookies HttpOnly to block JavaScript access, and SameSite to reduce CSRF risk. Use secure over HTTPS. Prefer short expirations plus refresh strategies. Rotate keys regularly. For JWTs, sign with strong algorithms and avoid putting secrets or PII in claims. Consider token binding to device signals if available. For sessions, protect the store. Set sane TTLs, shard or replicate for HA, and monitor evictions. Operational considerations. Scaling. Cookie/JWT auth scales well across stateless web tiers. Sessions require a fast, highly available store and consistent hashing or sticky sessions if the store is local. Revocation. Server sessions win for insta-logout. JWTs need a revocation list, shorter TTLs, or a refresh token flow. Payload size. Keep cookies lean, under a few kilobytes, to avoid bloating requests. Auditing. Centralized session stores make it straightforward to record login metadata and device activity. With JWTs, log at gateways to maintain an audit trail. Hybrid patterns in practice. Stateless access token plus stateful refresh session. The access token rides with each request, while server-side refresh session enables rapid revocation and rotation. JWT with reference token. The cookie holds an opaque ID. The gateway exchanges its server-side for claims, marrying revocation with compact cookies. Per scope cookies. Split out high-risk operations under tighter, short-lived tokens.